Hi, my name is Allison Biede, and my major is elementary education with a specialization in the TALL program. The future grade level that I'm going to be teaching is 5th grade with a subject area in English. My beliefs about technology in the classroom is that in today's society, technology is growing tremendously. It is very important for teachers to incorporate technology in their classrooms as much as possible in order to prepare their students for the future. The 4 artifacts that I will be talking about today is my Lesson Plan 1, Lesson Plan 2, Kahoot, and online book. The first lesson plan is my digital citizenship lesson plan about cyberbullying. We included a Chatterpix game board with QR codes and a Kahoot in this lesson plan. This lesson plan was introduced with a Chatterpix about cyberbullying. This was a very engaging way to introduce the students to what they would be learning. We then used a game board with QR codes in order to provide an efficient way for students to learn more about cyberbullying. These QR codes could be scanned with the students' iPads in order to bring them right to the links. We ended this lesson plan with a Kahoot. My second lesson plan was a lesson plan about looping. In this lesson plan, we incorporated a Nearpod, Scratch game, and a Kahoot. We introduced this lesson plan with a Nearpod. This lesson plan provided a very efficient way for the students to have all the links that they needed for the whole lesson plan, as well as a very cute presentation about different vocabulary words. This lesson plan also has a scratch game, as you can see here, that provided a fun and very engaging way for the students to learn how looping is used in different gaming. For my third artifact, I chose to make a Kahoot. This Kahoot that I made is used to teach students about different grammatical techniques. Kahoot is a very engaging way for students to learn. It combines a competitive game along with information, which creates a fun environment for the students to learn in. The Kahoot that I made involves many different questions as well as many different pictures in order to teach the students about grammar. The last artifact that I'll be showing today is this online book. It has many educational values to it. One of these values is that this book is very engaging and as well as efficient. This book provides a way for either students or teachers to present all the knowledge that they have learned or want to teach about. As you can see, this online app allows me to create many different pictures as well as many different fonts in order to make this a very fun way for the students to learn. I will use technology in my future classroom in many different ways. As you can see, all of these different things that I have made have incorporated technology in many different ways. They allow the learning environment to be very engaging and enhancing for all the students, as well as efficient. For my ideals to incorporate technology in the future can include all of these badges. All of these badges allow for technology to be integrated into the classrooms. You can use Chatterpix, S'mores, Pinterest, Twitter Chat, Kahoot. The possibilities are endless. There are many different ways that will provide the students with many different ways to use technology in their future. It is very important for future teachers to prepare their students in order to be ready to use technology as much as possible.